Welcome to the Reduced Cyber Risk Podcast, where we provide you the training and tools you need to pass the CISSP exam while enhancing your cybersecurity career. Hi, my name is Shon Gerber, and I'm your host for this action-packed, informative podcast. Join me each week as I provide the information you need to grow your cybersecurity knowledge so that you're better prepared to pass the CISSP exam. All right, let's get going. Hey, all, it's Shon Gerber again with Reduced Cyber Risk Podcast and ShonGerber.com. Hope everything is going well in your place of the world today. As we're growing into including the end of this week, we are going to be having the next CISSP exam questions for Domain 3. And as you guys know, the CISSP exam can be a bit of a challenge, so let's get right into these questions. All right, question number 1. Message digest is a small representation of a larger message. Message digests are used to ensure the authentication and integrity of information, not the confidentiality. So this is a true-false statement. Again, message digest is a small representation of the larger message. Message digests are used to ensure the authentication and integrity of information, but not the confidentiality. All right, these questions come from techtarget.com, and we'll see what is the answer around that. And the answer is true. Message digests are a small representation of the larger message, but they do deal with authentication and integrity of the information, i.e. to make sure that it hasn't been tampered with, but they do not determine the confidentiality of the information. Question 2. A hybrid cloud infrastructure is a composition of two or more distinct cloud infrastructures, private, community, or public, that remains unique entities but are bound together by standardized or proprietary technology that enables data and the application's portability. Yeah, that's a mouthful of words. It's like having your mouth full of marbles and talking. So, again, this is another true-false question. Hybrid cloud infrastructure is a composition of two or more distinct cloud infrastructures, private, community, or public, that remain unique entities but are bound together by standardized or proprietary technology that enables data and application portability. All right, so as you parse that out, that is true. Correct. That is true. Hybrid cloud infrastructure is a composition of two or more distinct cloud infrastructures, and that deals with obviously the name, right? So if it's a hybrid, it's kind of dealing more with them just with one. All right, question number 3. A private cloud is a model where the cloud infrastructure is a provision for exclusive use by a single organization comprising of multiple consumers. Okay, again, true, false. A private cloud is a model where the cloud infrastructure is provisioned for exclusive use by a single organization comprised of multiple consumers. Okay, i.e. private or public. Which one would it be? It's private. It's probably said along the lines of it's just for some specific people. Yes, that is true. It is a model where cloud infrastructure is provisioned for exclusive use by a single organization. Question 4. Key clustering is when different encryption keys generate the same ciphertext from the same plaintext message. Okay, again, true, false. Last one. Key clustering is when different encryption keys generate the same ciphertext from the same plaintext message. And the answer is true. That's correct. Key clustering is when different encryption keys are used for the same ciphertext. That is what key clustering is. And again, all these questions came from TechTarget, techtarget.com. But you can go out to ShonGerber.com, it's ShonGerber.com, and check out all of my CISSP questions that I have out there for you as well. You can also check out the Domain 1 through 8 training that I have specifically for people at ShonGerber.com. It's awesome place. I've got a lot of great stuff for you, and so I highly recommend you go check it out. All right, I hope everybody's having a great week, and we will catch you later. See ya! Thanks so much for joining me today on my podcast. If you like what you heard, please leave a review on iTunes, as I would greatly appreciate the feedback. Also, check out my CISSP videos that you can find out on YouTube. Just search for Shon, S-H-O-N, Gerber, like the baby food, toilet, or whatever you choose. And then you will find a plethora of content to help you pass the CISSP exam the first time. Lastly, head over to ShonGerber.com and look at the cornucopia of free CISSP materials available to all my email subscribers. Thanks again for listening. See ya!